We believe that a place can become part of you. Everywhere you have been, everywhere you will go, will somehow change your very essence. After years of traveling the world, we are many places. Introducing Teti. Our goal is to enclose the entire essence of a place you love and everything it represents within a unique, elegant design object. After 2 years of hard work, we managed to insert the city with its most important symbols within a high-quality jewel. To create this one-of-a-kind ring, we combined the most modern technologies such as 3D modeling and 3D printing with millennial Italian goldsmith tradition, plated with precious materials and encapsulated in indestructible resin. The result is Teti, a one-of-a-kind object of eternal beauty, with a level of detail never seen before, which will change the jewellery game for good.